way to express gratitude and respect. Now, I invite Master Soham Kaluti to welcome our honorable guest Dr. Kamal Agar sir by presenting bouquet. Mrs. Tiwari and to welcome Dr. Markar. I invite some heroes don't have leather in their eyes. They don't fly through the sky, but they hold heartbeat in their hands and bring lightness where darkness stands. Good morning to respected dignitary, principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Bhavish Vivek Bandekar from class 6th rows, and today I am here to not speak about comic book heroes, but about real superheroes who save lives without any magic or doctors. These heroes don't fight with superpowers, they fight with stethoscopes, medicines, and kind hearts. Whether it's a small fever or a big emergency, they stand by us day and night with patience, courage, and care. There is a beautiful line that says, a doctor is someone who gives hope to us. Doctors don't just treat us, they care for us. They don't just work, they serve. They don't just cure, but every day. Thank you so much and happy Doctor's Day.
Thank you by the students highlighting the roles of responsibilities about doctors. Let us now present a creative and powerful skit prepared by our talented students to showcase impact of doctors. Grade 6 rose, 6 sunflower and 2nd lotus.
My dear friends, respected teachers and honorable principal ma'am, I Savi and I Sanvi presenting here a skit. लाइफ में हम कितनी चीजों को ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं ना? नहीं, मतलब जैसे हमारी आवाज। जरा उन लोगों के बारे में सोचिए जिनकी आवाज मेडिकल कंडीशन की वजह से हमेशा के लिए खो गई है। उन हजारों पेशेंट के लिए एक सबसे मतलब एक फरिश्ता बनकर आए कर्नाटकी डॉक्टर विशाल राव। ऐसा क्या किया उन्होंने जिस पेशेंट की खो गई हुई आवाज वापस आ गई? So here are school talented students, Master Sunny Chobe, Adya Agrawal, Vardhan Jaiswal, and cute little artist of Priyansh from grade 2nd will show a small skit. Welcome them by giving a big round of applause.
डॉक्टर साहब, ये मेरा बेटा है, इसे गले का कैंसर हुआ था। ऑपरेशन से इसका कैंसर तो चला गया, लेकिन कैंसर के साथ आवाज भी चली गई। ऐसे केसेस में अक्सर थ्रोट कैंसर को जड़ से हटाने के लिए वॉइस बॉक्स को हटाना पड़ता है, लेकिन प्रोस्थेसिस लगवाकर खोई हुई आवाज का वापस पाया जा सकता है। जिनसे ऑपरेशन करवाया था उनसे वो भी लगवाया था डॉक्टर साहब, लेकिन अब वो कह रहे कि ये खराब हो गया है। पूरे 35,000 का लगवाया था, पर अब ना कुछ खा पाता है और ना ही कुछ बोल पाता है। ये डिवाइस सिर्फ 6 महीने तक ही चलता है, आपको नया डिवाइस लगवाना ही पड़ेगा। मतलब हर 6 महीने में ऑपरेशन करना पड़ेगा और हर बार 35,000 रुपए लगेंगे। कुछ अच्छे इम्पोर्टेड प्रोसेसेस आते हैं जो लंबे वक्त तक चलते हैं, बस उसका खर्चा थोड़ा ज्यादा आएगा। ज्यादा खर्चा मतलब आप समझ नहीं रहे डॉक्टर साहब, हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है, हमारी मदद कीजिए। बस एक बार अपने बच्चे की आवाज सुनना चाहती हूँ। डॉक्टर बात समझ सही, क्या समझ सकते आप? कुछ नहीं समझ सकते आप जैसे लंबी गाड़ियों में घूमने वाले लोग कहाँ समझेंगे हमारी हालत? पूरा महीना काम करने के बाद भी 5,000 की पगार मिलती है।
सॉरी।
कैसे है डॉक्टर साहब? क्या हुआ? अभी मैं टेंशन में लगा है। क्या शशांक? अभी एक औरत से मिला जिसका बच्चा थ्रोट कैंसर की ट्रीटमेंट के बाद कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा है। सॉरी, इलाज करवाने के पैसे नहीं है। हॉस्पिटल गई थी, सबने करवा दिया, पर वहाँ सिर्फ बातें हो रही है, बनी नहीं। फार्मा कंपनी वो तो अपना प्रॉफिट करने को राजी नहीं है। लाखों का खर्चा शशांक, पर ये हर किसी की बस की बात नहीं है। विशाल, क्या तू ये डिवाइस बना सकता है? हाँ? मतलब देख, कोई तो सही
बच्चे की आवाज क्या होती है? हेलो शशांक।
हेलो,
यार हम जो मटेरियल यूज कर रहे हैं उससे पेशेंट्स को इन्फेक्शन होगा ही नहीं।
तो फिर क्या करना है?
सिलिकॉन।
यार सिलिकॉन तो बाहर से इंपोर्ट करवाना पड़ेगा।
शशांक, हम ये डिवाइस इससे दामों में बेचना चाहते हैं, सस्ती क्वालिटी का नहीं।
ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ। अब मैं ये डिवाइस इसके गले में फिट कर दूंगा, जिससे ये कुछ बोल पाएगा। बेटा, थोड़ा ऊपर। बेटा, अब बोलो। आ बेटा, जैसे डॉक्टर साहब बोले वैसे कोशिश करो, बोलो। डॉक्टर साहब, ये अभी भी। बेटा, एक बार फिर कोशिश करते हैं। अब बोलो। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर साहब। मुझे माफ कीजिए, मैंने आपको बहुत भला बुरा कहा। मेरे बच्चे को ठीक कर दिया। आपसे किसने कहा कि पैसे नहीं लगेंगे? सुन, देखिए, मैं अपनी फीस छोड़ सकता हूँ और आपको डिवाइस के पैसे तो देने ही पड़ेंगे। मतलब वापस 35,000 रुपए लगेंगे? 50 रुपए। इसकी कीमत सिर्फ इतनी है। इतना सस्ता? इसे कहते क्या है डॉक्टर साहब? मैं चाहता हूँ जिस सृष्टि की शुरुआत ही ओम से हुई है, उसी तरह पेशेंट्स के लिए जिंदगी की शुरुआत भी ओम से हो, क्योंकि स्पीच इज अ राइट, नॉट प्रिविलेज।
हर साल भारत में लगभग 13,000 लोग थ्रोट कैंसर का शिकार होते हैं, जिनमें से 60% ही जी पाते हैं, लेकिन उनमें से भी काफी पेशेंट्स की आवाज हमेशा के लिए चली जाती है। जो महंगा इलाज करवाने में असमर्थ है, उनकी आवाज वापस लाने के लिए डॉक्टर विशाल राव का ये आविष्कार ओम रोशनी की एक नई किरण है।
Essential role of chartered accountants who balance our financial world with integrity. So now I invite Master Shijit Vidya for a short speech.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Shrijit Anand Vidya from grade 6 Salford. Today I am going to speak about chartered accountant. A chartered accountant is a professional who helps people and businesses manage their money. They keep records of income and expenses, check if everything is correct, and help in saving tax. CAs help big companies, small shops, and even famous people with their accounts. To become a CA, one must study very hard and pass very tough exams. It takes years of hard work, dedication, and practice. They study subjects like accounting, auditing, taxation, and law. A CA must be very honest, responsible, and good at math. They also give advice on how to grow a business or reduce losses. CAs work in banks, offices, companies, and even run their own. They are respected member of our society because they help the economy run smoothly. In India, CA exams are managed by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Many students dream of becoming a CA because it is a great career. CAs also earn good salaries and enjoy job security. A CA is like a doctor of finance that checks the financial health of a company. Even during difficult times, I find this career very interesting and helpful. Maybe one day I will also become a chartered accountant. Thank you for listening to this speech. Have a great day.
For your wonderful speech. To take the celebration ahead, I now invite a true mentor and guide for all of us. May I request Mr. Shubham sir to please come forward and share a few motivational words with us.
Sitting in front of the dais and listening to motivational speech sounds boring, but I have also gone through that phase once. Becoming chartered accountant is not like clearing one of the toughest examination of the nation, but it's all about taking responsibility and trust of government of India and businesses all around the world for managing their businesses and giving taxations to government and all. Then to all the aspiring chartered accountants here, I would like to say that the path towards success is really tough. But when you reach there, the view from the top is really worth it. So if you are finding it like it's hard, it's tough, then you are on the right track. And if you are finding it like easy and बहुत आसानी से हो जा रहा है, then assume that you are going on something like wrong track. So work hard, set your goals, be honest, inculcate sanskars, and most importantly, be happy. Thank you. That's all.
May I request Honorable Gavind sir to please come forward and share a few motivational words with us.
In the schools and the friends in the schools, we are celebrating Doctor's Day and a Chartered Accountant Day. So, what the meaning of you in the schools? You are going to become a good person. What is a good person? Is actually society defines a good person. Doctor, engineer, chartered accountant, scientist, and all these things. Is the society all correct? Yes, the society is all correct, and every one of you is here to become a doctor, become an engineer, to become a scientist, to become a good teacher, and all these things. So what is making you student to a doctor, to a scientist, to a leader? What is the thing? Anybody guess what are the things you people are going to become a doctor or chartered accountant? Any guess? Any guess? May I guess? It's all the habits. Habits are making a student to a good person, to a good doctor, to a good chartered accountant, to a good family. But do we care about the habits? Everyone? Anyone of it care about the habits? Not actually. So we have to, everyone have, as a student, everyone have to go to your good habits and find your habits actually. What are the habits? I mean to habits are for each and everything. Your waking habits, your cleaning habits, your toilet habits, your brushing habits, your studying habits, your going to school habits, your grooming habits, your dressing habits, your playing habits, your talking habits, your giving respect to others. It is also a habit, and all things in the life is just a habit. Habits can make each and every student to a good person. Is that all okay from me? Yes. Bye.
What's up for your motivational words?
And now comes a truly special moment for us on this Doctor's Day. We are honored to have with us our highly respected Dr. Kamal Sir, President of Sanskar International School. So I invite for guiding us.
Dear and my dear students, we all from my side and from my friends and my colleagues side, I am thankful to ma'am as well as to all dear students for giving us importance of Doctor's Day, for respecting us, for calling us here and honoring all of us. Being a doctor, I just want to tell few of things to all of my dear kids. You can start dreaming big in life. When you think big, you should desire, you should deserve. When you are thinking big, looking big person in life, or becoming a successful person of things, first you should desire it, and then you should deserve it. We all have habits of desiring. I want this and I want that. But for whether you deserve it or not, for having everything, anything in the life, to give any milestone, you need to pay the price of it. Nothing comes free of cost. You need to pay the price. By paying price, by dedication, determination, commitment towards your work, you need to go in a competition with anyone else, because two people are not alike. Competition always happens between two equal people. You need to prove yourself and better person from yourself. So always have competition yourself, so that there will no be negativity among your friends. Being a good person, having a good network. Here I will advise all of the students that you should respect your teachers, respect your father, mother, you respect your family, respect your nation, being a good citizen of India. Whether you become anything, what is more important that you should become a good human being and good citizen. That's always, all the time I always stress on this matter, because study will make you something someday. More or less, happiness will not depend upon all your success. It's a mindset. Someone will be happy with a penny and someone will not be happy with the roads. So, be a successful, happy human being in the life. Thank you.
Come forward for a special announcement.
Good morning, Honorable Guest of Honor, respected dignitaries, Principal Ma'am, and my dear students. I am Neha Ghatiwar, Assembly in charge of Sanskar International School. With great pleasure and immense, I welcome you all to our school. Your presence is truly special for us. We are privileged to have you us today. As a part of our commitment and fostering awareness of growth, to identify and reward academically capable students, our school has started ACER, Australian Council for Research Education. I would like to inform you that last year ACER exam was successfully conducted under the able coordination of our respected Smita ma'am. She is the coordinator of ACER IBT. The ACER program was highly beneficial for our students They are helping the student to build confidence and develop their holistic approach. To share more details about Acer, I would like to invite Smita ma'am and to address us for further information.
Good morning, respected dais, teachers, and all my dear students. Here is Smita Kanchanpure, the in charge of exam cell and coordinator of Acer. Have a privilege to introduce Acer result 2024-25. Before that, I will share some journey of Acer in brief. So Acer is an Australian Council for Educational Research Assessment. Is a comprehensive program which is an independent, not-for-profit research organization which was established in the year 2014. IBT, that is International Benchmark Test, is an internationally administered program to assess, specially designed to enhance, to compare the students' performance, enhance the students' assessment globally between the grades and over the time. The test covered mainly 4 subjects like English, mathematics, science, reasoning for students of grade 3 to grade 10. IBT is improve the student outcomes, it enhance the teaching practices, it is a skill-based test and it has no specific curriculum. Our teachers were taking the efforts, they were taking the classes of our students, they guide them and together the teachers together the teachers, students and the parents of it and the hard work together successfully complete our first batch of Acer. So I take a pride to share our students' achievement in Acer. In Acer academic session 2024-25, 62 students were participating in Acer RBT. Out of that, the 4 students received the certificate of high distinction and 4 students received the certificate of distinction and rest of the students received the certificate of participation. So today, we distribute the certificates and medals by our dignitaries. So first of all, I would like to call Miss Harshita Agrawal, the student of grade 9. She secured international position in IBT, the certificate of high distinction and medal. Please come on the stage, Harshita.
Conclusion, we have someone special to express our gratitude. So now I would like to invite Ms. Savik Abikar to deliver the vote of thanks. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause. It gives me great pleasure to present the vote of thanks on the behalf of our school. I sincerely thank Dr. Kamal Agrawal sir, Dr. Anshuman sir, and all our honorable guests for sparing their valuable time and enlightening with their presence and guidance. A heartfelt thanks to our beloved teachers, student participants, and organizing teams whose efforts made today's event successful. Let me end with this thought. Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is just like the wrapping a gift but not giving it. So thank you all once again. Have a joyful day ahead.